एज नाउ मीनोपॉज से ये नहीं है कि कोई ये इसको डिमेंशिया को एक्सीलरेट करती है या कुछ और करती है, लेकिन मोस्ट वुमेन हाउएवर complain of some change in memory and global cognitive functions around the time of menopause. It is likely that these changes can be partly explained by the impact of vasomotor symptoms and other symptoms on the pattern of sleep. तो ऐसा कोई फर्क नहीं है, लेकिन हो सकता है vasomotor symptoms की वजह से ऐसा होता हो. Changes in menstrual bleeding are among the key symptoms and signs that herald the effect of onset of menopause and the endometrium. They occur relatively soon during the process of menopausal transition. However, it is important to consider that other areas within the genital tract such as vulva, vagina, and uterus may also be affected. Endometrial effect. The initial irregular or scanty vaginal bleeding is due to the reduction in the estrogenic endometrial stimulation with failing ovarian functions, ultimately resulting in periods completely stopping when the endometrium is no longer stimulated. Episodic and infrequent ovulation with fluctuation in estrogen level lead to unpredictable progesterogenic level, which usually has the effect of inadequate regular endometrial bleeding. This can then lead to some women experiencing irregular heavy bleeding. Urogenital tract and vulvovaginal atrophy. Once estrogen levels start to fall in the perimenopausal years, many women, particularly those who are sexually active, may become aware of the vaginal dryness, irritation, burning, soreness, and dyspareunia. So loss of the estrogen support to the vaginal epithelium lead to reduced cellular turnover and reduced genital activity, leading to a vaginal epithelium that is less elastic and more easily traumatized. Other conditions that frequently worsen during the menopause include incontinence and prolapse. The inherent resistance of the urogenital system to the infection is also impaired, considered to be due to increase in pH of the normally mildly acidic environment within the vagina. तो vagina का pH भी चेंज हो जाता है, इसलिए इन्फेक्शन के चांसेस भी ज़्यादा रहेंगे. The incidence of the urinary infection is also increased as is the incidence of episodes of minor cystitis that can accompany sexual activity. Cystitis का मतलब है urinary bladder की inflammation. Examination of women with postmenopausal or urogenital trauma normally demonstrates dryness affecting most of the surface of the vagina, along with pallor and in extreme cases small petechial hemorrhages. Older women also may have shrinkage and fusion of the labia along with the narrowing of the vaginal introitus. All women experience these changes in the lower genital tract to some degree. It is an intimate area that many women may have difficulty raising in conversation even though they may be experiencing serious symptoms. So it is therefore essential that healthcare professionals look after these women proactively, ask about and manage these issues. Bone health. One of the best understood areas of long-term post-reproductive health is the change in the bone that occurs on the loss of estrogen support of skeletal metabolism. To fully understand this area, it is important to be aware that the fact that skeleton is maintained by a constant process of remodeling, with the bone being laid down by osteoblasts and reabsorbed by